All right, here's a good story, manifestation story from The Law and the Promise. A friend who knows my passionate fondness for opera tried to get Kirsten Flagstad's complete recording of Tristan and Isolde for me at Christmas. In over a dozen record stores, he was told the same thing. RCA Victor is not reissuing this recording, and there have been no copies available since June. On December 27th, I determined to prove your principle again by getting the album I desired so intensely. Lying down in my living room, I mentally walked into a record shop I patronize and asked the one salesman whose face and voice I could recall, "Do you have Flagstad's complete Isolde?" He replied, "Yes, I have." That ended the scene, and I repeated it until it was real to me. Late that afternoon, I went to that record shop to physically enact the scene. Not one detail supplied by the senses had encouraged me to believe that I could walk out of that shop with those records. I had been told last September by the same salesman in the same shop the same story my friend had received there before Christmas. Approaching the salesman I had seen in imagination that morning, I said, "Do you have Flagstad's complete Isolde?" He replied, "No, we haven't." Without saying anything audible to him, I said inwardly, "That's not what I heard you say." As I turned to leave the shop, I noticed on a top shelf what I thought to be an advertisement of this set of records and remarked to the salesman, "If you don't have the merchandise, you shouldn't advertise it." "That's right," he replied, and as he reached up to take it down, discovered it to be a complete album with all 5 records. The scene wasn't played exactly as I had constructed it, but the result confirmed what my imagined scene implied. How can I thank you? So there you go. It may not happen exactly as you imagine, but the end result should be pretty much the same. And I love these stories from Neville's books where the person just lies down and imagines it, and the same day they're able to, collect on their imaginal act. So that's really cool. I thought that story was pretty cool, and I wanted to make a short video on it. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Please like and subscribe.